This was in response to a video in which a man had said if they've been asked about their romantic relationship, they're not telling anybody what's going on, the ins or out, because they don't want anybody in their business. And I think that there's a little bit of wiggle room needed to talk to people about what's happening in relationships. In fact, we need it in order to have a healthy romantic relationship. My name is Coach Lee. I'm a social connections coach, and I want to help you make more meaningful connections in your personal and professional life. And I think this is where a lot of us get it messed up, because we get stuck in relationships with people and we have no help, no guidance, no support, no understanding about what we're experiencing, because we haven't opened up to anybody. We just continue to close off the relationship. And I've lived this in every single relationship I've had. It's like we don't talk about stuff outside of the relationship, but we don't get any support or any help. I can't figure out any ways to make it better, and neither can they. And we just complete the same patterns over and over and over again. So you need to open up your relationship and find people who care about you, who genuinely care about your well-being. I can help you do that.